Hey, don't scroll away. Don't exit. I promise this video could change your life. Yes, I'm serious. Look at these birds. They're incredibly vibrant and eye-catching with unique appearances you've never seen before. And guess what? I created all this content using 100% free AI tools. This is the trending AI content on YouTube. Search for the account Bets on YouTube, and you'll see that its work is absolutely captivating, featuring rare and exotic birds. Their appearances, feathers, and body structures are astonishing, drawing your attention effortlessly. Every movement is mesmerizing. Most importantly, this niche has huge profit potential. I checked the channel and it currently has over 203,616,760 views with an annual income reaching up to $720,000. It's incredibly profitable. Are you excited yet? Don't worry, I'll teach you step by step how to create videos worth thousands. But before we start, I need your support. Please click the subscribe button on my channel. This will be your ticket to starting your AI money-making journey. Now, let's get started. Just take a screenshot of any video you like, whether it's cute, animated, emotional, or cinematic. Then go to ChatGPT, paste the screenshot into the chat, and type a simple message. Based on the style in the screenshot, please give me 5 detailed prompts for similar imagery. Hit enter, and voila! ChatGPT will work its magic. You'll receive 10 ready-to-use, detailed, and realistic prompts in seconds. These aren't random. They're tailored, story-rich, and optimized for viral animated content. They're more engaging, clickable, and eye-catching than anything you've tried before. No brainstorming, no complicated commands, no wasted time writing or editing. Just paste and type, and you'll complete the first step of generating inspiration. The second step, which is crucial, is transforming those prompts into stunning images. I'll guide you through this. First, go to the DreamVid AI website. Yes, it's a powerful free image creation tool. Not only can it generate images from text, but you'll also see a variety of special effect templates in the left toolbar that can create amazing effects. Let's randomly click a few to check them out. Wow, the visuals are truly stunning. DreamVid is such an interesting tool. Now let's start the magic of turning text into images. You need to select the text-to-image feature on DreamVid AI's homepage. Then paste the prompts you previously created into the box. Don't forget to choose a 16:9 aspect ratio and select the portrait style. I want to generate surreal, colorful birds. Now click Generate and wait a moment. Done. Yes, it takes a little patience, but wow, your AI-generated images are ready. Look at their exquisite detail. They're lifelike. This sets a solid foundation for the upcoming video creation. Now repeat this process to generate the other images. Oh my, this tool is incredible. The quality is simply astonishing. These birds look just like rare, exotic creatures, almost glass-like, as if they might shatter at a touch. Now that we have these creative and exquisite images, we're ready for the next step. The next step is very important. Still using DreamVid AI, click on the Create option in the left toolbar. It's time for the real magic. We're going to turn your stunning images into completely free AI videos. In the function area, input your instructions and click Generate. Wow, the birds on the screen come to life and interact with each other. It's truly magical. Now, let's animate all the images. Just write down the actions you want them to perform in the instruction area, and DreamVid can make it happen. Isn't that amazing? The second, third images, and so on. Wow, I can't help but admire how exquisite and eye-catching these visuals are. If uploaded to YouTube, you won't have to worry about views at all. Once everything is generated, save it, and let's move to our final step. Come on, the last step is to put all the content into CapCut. Yes, this is a sign of victory. We'll add the AI-generated content into CapCut. You can enhance the visuals with some audio and choose suitable background music. Finally, let's export the video and watch the final product together. Wow, your final video is ready. How does it feel? It's like experiencing a vibrant bird exhibition in the forest. You can upload the finished video to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, earning money from 3 platforms with 1 video. Now click below to use the free AI tool, DreamVid AI, and start your AI money-making journey. Okay, that's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.